Wait, wait. Okay, you can have it. This, over here, this way, this way. You gotta use your front teeth. Use your front teeth. There you go. Good girl. You had some more right there. Some more right there.
Sun's going down on another Sunday. I got the wall, I got the studs up, I got the cross brace and the ceilings up proper. I've got some 90-degree supports for the roof. I got a bit of a support for the bunk. Still got tons of wood, tons of stuff. I had to get an 8-foot ladder because I only had 6 foot and I couldn't reach the top, and I didn't figure that out until the other day. So this is what it looks like. Frame is coming along pretty good. And tomorrow's another work day. So we'll see how much I can get done. Jazz is not here. Another great day. It's a hot one, 30 Celsius. Roofers are working next door, across the street. And Jazz is painting roof panels. It's some of the thickest paint I've ever seen. Got that online like for like nothing. 5 gallons of it. It's thicker than hell. Say hi, Jazz. I missed you.
Hi.
Look at that hair. You need another haircut. Remember the beginning of the video? You had to get a haircut at the beginning of the series.
I lost my hairbrush at the beach the other day, so I have to get a new one.
No.
It's also broken as well, so.
Painting the panels, and then they're gonna go up on the top. Just bracing it all. Thing has a natural bend from high in the middle going down to the back, which is good because then the rain will run off the back end. I guess some of these 2x4s are not exactly 2x4x8, but that's okay. Gives me that little bit aerodynamics. I go faster, faster to camp. Get to the chopper. Break time. Taking a break, eating ice cream. Jazz, and the person who says not me, but she makes TikTok videos all day. Supper time update. Everything has been secured. All the pieces are in place. Just got to find a big roll of plastic to cover it, make a vapor barrier, and then put the roof plywood on. Jazz has painted all that. Keep the rain out. So we can work on other stuff. All right, and flash.
And Dad's putting vapor barrier up here, so it wouldn't. So when it rains, it wouldn't go through. And down it goes.
Ta-da!
What do you guys say?
I'm freaking tired. That's what I'm gonna say. Cut already. Cut! Or you're grounded.
Oh.
Hey, getting tired at the end of the day. But you gotta tack down this plastic. Get it down before the rain comes. Oh, out of staples. Back in a minute. I know it's all wobbly. I'm on a ladder.
So Dad is putting in 45-degree angle braces. Let's see what he has here.
This sucker's gonna last another 50 years. We got it, it was 40 years old and it was falling apart. So, 50 years again. It'll be 100 years old. I could pass it on to our grandchildren, his grandchildren, my whoever. Well, I got a lot of the roof nailed down. So you put some cross supports in there. It was a bit squishy, as you saw the video. And then this is where we live, and it's raining now. So that's what we got. We had to stop what we're doing because electrical tools don't work well in the rain. And my wife's like, no, don't use electricity in the rain. I'm like, what? It's just electricity. And it's like, okay. So we'll catch up on the next little video slot. All right, see you in a bit. Press the red button. Oh, admiring the membrane. The roofers over there gave me some leftover. That's enough to do mine. All the way around. I still got to seal up the front, staple it down, but it's pretty good. And each night, I don't know if you can see them, but the crows all come to roost. You don't know, the crows all sleep together in one area. Yes, it's getting dark, but I had to finish this barrier. Look how good it looks. And the mosquitoes are coming out. So I will catch you guys in the morning. Go to sleep now. I'll see you when the sun comes up. It's a rainy day here. Yesterday, sunny and hot, finished the roof. Finished, well, almost. Still got a fiberglass at the end. And rainy today. Supposed to be rainy for the next few days, so there won't be much video this week. I just wanted to check to see how well the membrane is holding up here. See if we get any leakage. Oh, got some leakage right there. But that's minor. That's probably from the little bit of a seam here. Yeah, it's coming in through that seam right there. I sealed it up, but probably not enough. Condensation, not too bad. Probably coming up from the front, or it could have been rain coming in sideways there. Let's see what we got back here. Already got some water pooling back there. But overall, I mean, it's not bad. This is probably coming down from the seam or a screw hole. Well, it's not bad as it was. I used to have these bins out collecting water. But, you know, dark clouds on the horizon. See what I can do. Well, we're gonna have rain for the next 3 days. I could do some plywood inside, and we'll see if I have space between the rain to do that. Lots of free wood, because you know, we don't know what we're doing and we have no budget. Okay, so let me know, maybe you have something I can pick up and use in the camper. Always looking for wire, insulation now, and glue and screws. Yep. All right, we'll talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe right here on YouTube. Okay, subscribing on Facebook doesn't help the channel at all. Subscribe on YouTube and I can get my numbers up and we can have an official name. So do that, subscribe, like, and especially comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I'm doing right. I don't care. You know, even spam me. Don't matter to me. All right. Okay. talk to you later, and we'll press that button and say goodbye for another week. Oh my God, today is so hot. I step outside, it's like a devil farted in my face.